What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just gonna tell you, or show you, or demonstrate for you how I grew up my beard in 2 months. This nigga is tripping. Actually, the original idea originated in high school. I always wanted to grow out a beard, but my mom wouldn't really let me grow out a beard because I grew up in a Ghanaian household. You know anything about Ghanaians? They're super strict about hair and like earrings and piercings and all that shit. So essentially, for whatever reason, I couldn't grow out a beard. You gotta ask my mom about that. So I couldn't grow out a beard, but then once I got to college, I was like, okay, I'm my own nigga. You can't really stop me. So I decided to start growing out a beard. At first, I'm not gonna hold you, I was kind of in the struggle phase. So at first, what I was gonna do was I was just gonna shave my beard and be kind of like clean shaven, because you know I kind of looked like whenever I had stubble and shit, like it wouldn't really look the best just because like it looked a little bit weird. But that's besides the point. So I bought this like electric shaver. And basically this electric shaver like shave really, really close. So if you have like stubble or like you like had to shave every single day, it'd be like fine. But if you had to go like a prolonged period of time without shaving, then all of a sudden like you just couldn't shave, like it just wouldn't cut your hair. So then I bought that and I went like 2 days without shaving and I couldn't like cut my hair. So I tried to use like an actual like little ass razor, like you know one of them razors that you use on your arms or your legs, or maybe not your arms, but whatever. So I used that little ass razor and I got hella razor bumps. I was like, okay, I'm never gonna do that shit again. If you know you get like hella razor bumps, anybody that's ever grown out a beard and try to shave like a razor, don't do it, it's not worth it. So I get like hella razor bumps or whatever, so I was like, fuck it, whatever, I'm gonna just try to grow out this beard. So with my hair, along with my hair actually, I started growing out my beard. And over time, like my beard, at first it was like super duper patchy, super duper itchy. So if you want to grow out your beard, you're gonna have this phase and it's gonna suck. So you just kind of have to like get past the phase, because if you don't, otherwise your shit's never gonna grow. There's gonna be a phase where it's super duper itchy. I actually like started my beard journey twice. So I've done this 2 times. Each time the itchy phase always sucks and they always look like shit at first. It's like for the first month or so, you have like, I say like a bunch of stubble, it's gonna look ugly as hell. The best thing to do during this time is, if you know how to use a pair of clippers, just line your shit up. If you don't know how to use a pair of clippers, just get a haircut like every 3 weeks and make sure that they line up your facial hair. That way it looks a little bit more full and it looks a little bit more presentable than just having like a bunch of the shit on your face. Because if you just have a bunch of shit on your face, eventually you're gonna want to shave that shit off. So essentially I did that. I kept getting lineups and shit. And yeah, it didn't look the best, but it was like reasonable. So it was like enough to hold me over and make me not want to cut my beard. So about 1 month in, after a while, I started noticing it getting a little thicker. So then I went to go and get a haircut, and like when I lined it up, it actually started looking like a beard. From that point, it was like, honestly, you kind of just like set it and forget it, you just let it go. So I bought like a brush, or I already had a brush from school because I was brushing like the sides of my hair and shit like that. So I had a brush and I just like brushed my beard. And then eventually like I got long enough where I could start like picking out my beard, I just pick it out. And now, so I rocked like that for a little bit. And then at the end of the school year, I decided to cut my beard because I heard, this is a myth actually, I heard if you cut your beard, like it'll grow back thicker or like more than it was before. That's not actually true. So then I restarted my journey and that shit was even worse than the first, because I had dreadlocks like, ooh! That's kind of awkward. I had dreadlocks at first, right? So I was going through the ugly dread phase. I was also going through the ugly beard phase at the same time. Basically, I was an ugly ass nigga. This okay. So I went through those phases and I grew back. But now actually, I don't know if it's really a myth, because my shit is more connected on this side. And this side right here is not really connected, but I haven't really let this grow out because it looks a little weird. So I just keep cutting it off. But it's all good, I have time. So yeah, guys. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Here's my brush and the pick that I was talking about. These are both beard brushes and beard picks. And yeah. So that's how I got my beard in 2 months. It was approximately 2 months. So I got my beard to grow in 2 months. Basically just consistency. You gotta get through the ugly phase. You will look ugly in the ugly phase. That's what it's called, the ugly phase. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna see ya.